expand the bracket. So this is 2x minus 1 cube, 2x minus 1 times this equals 2x minus 1 times 2x minus 1 times 2x minus 1. So I will first expand this 2x minus 1 times 2x minus 1. 2x times 2x, 2x times minus 1 times 2x, minus 1 times 2x. Actually, this is 2x minus 1 square. You need to be able to expand the square instantly. How? A plus b, for example. A plus b square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Or if it is minus, this is minus. So the first one square plus double the multiplication product of the first and second one, and the second one square. So first one square is 2x square plus double the multiplication of this 2. So there is minus. When it is minus, this one is minus. Let's write directly, and 1 plus the second one square, 1 square, which equals 4x square minus 4x plus 1. So let's write here 4x square minus 4x plus 1, and then open bracket and write this one, 2x minus 1. Now expand one more time, this times this, this times this, this times this, this times this, and the third one. Okay, 4x square times 2x, 8x square, 4x square times minus 1 minus 4x square, minus 4x times 2x minus 8x square, minus 4x times minus 1 plus 4x, 1 times 2x minus 1, which is 2x minus 1. Which ones are the like terms? These two are like terms, equals 8x square minus 4 minus 8 minus 12x square, 4 plus 2, 6x minus 1. This is the answer.